In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're streamlining your accounts or shutting down an old card, it's important to navigate this process carefully to ensure your records remain accurate. So, let's dive in and make sure everything proceeds smoothly. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online website and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials. If you don't have them memorized, make sure they're stored securely for easy access whenever you need. Once you've entered your email or username and password, hit continue to access the main dashboard of your account. Now that we're inside, let's locate the bank transaction section. You can easily find this under the banking tab. Once you're there, you should see a list of connected bank and credit card accounts, which makes it easy to select the right one. If you have multiple cards or accounts linked to QuickBooks, double check you're choosing the correct credit card account intended for deletion. Once you've identified the right account, look for a small pencil icon next to it, which is the edit function. Clicking this will open up more options, allowing you to manage specifics of the account. After you've clicked on the pencil, you'll see an option that says Edit Account Info. Select this, and this is where most of the action happens. Now here's the crucial part. You'll see an option labeled Disconnect this account on Save. What this does is ensure your chosen credit card will no longer be linked with QuickBooks transactions going forward. Check the box next to Disconnect this account on Save. It's important to note that while this action stops new transactions from syncing, your previous transactions will still be there for future reporting or bookkeeping needs. After selecting that option, a confirmation prompt will ask if you're sure about disconnecting the account. Go ahead and click yes to confirm. This step ensures you're making these changes intentionally, preventing any accidental disconnections that might disrupt your bookkeeping. Once you're sure about all the changes, don't forget to click on Save. Saving applies all the settings we've just configured and wraps up the process with a neat bow. At this point, your credit card account is disconnected from QuickBooks, meaning no more transactions will be synced across, though historical data remains intact for your reference. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to remove a credit card account from QuickBooks Online. Remember, completion is all about accuracy in bookkeeping, so ensure everything aligns with your objectives before saving your work. Feel free to review your list of accounts to double check everything, and always maintain records just in case you need to revisit them later. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and as always, keeping your financial data organized is key to smooth business operations. Happy bookkeeping!